here will cover, based on this size joint, for around about 15 square metres. So what you get is you get 2 foil seal packs within the box, and it's simply just damping down your stone that you're going to be doing. That just aids in the product going into the joints. So simply cut the bag open, pour it on, and just simply with the brush just push it into the joint. Now this will go from 3mm joints through to 20mm joints. "12-hour cure time with this, 18-hour cure time with this product." Now you can either have a brush finish as we've got there, or you can use what we call a striked finish. So you'll be using a striking iron similar to this. And that's your finish. Literally then what you can do is just get some water, just give it a gentle hosing off, just a soft brush, and just clean up this area, and that's it. Simple as that. So there's no forcing it into the joints, the water helps it go into the joints. It will allow the water to pass. So I'll fill that up. As you can see, the water's passing straight through the sands, not doing any damage, so you're not going to get problems with effervescence and such like.